Hello, neighbor. Thanks for dropping in. We're excited to announce the return of the largest and most popular home improvement event in your area. And as always, we're thrilled to bring this home show to you with free admission and free parking all weekend long. And this show is designed just for you, a smart and motivated homeowner who's looking for the most convenient way to find the best products, services, and people to remodel, repair, and refresh your home while saving time and money in the process. That's why we're here, and that's what our home shows offer to you. Not only can you see, touch, and interact with the products at the show, but you can meet and speak with knowledgeable representatives from the businesses that provide these products and services. You can see why this show is a great resource for you. And best of all, it won't cost you a penny to walk in the door. So whether you're in need of a small repair or if you're taking on the remodeling project of your dreams, this show highlights the latest and greatest in home improvement to help make your next project easier. But there's so much more, so take a little time and check it out. We invite you to come on down and see for yourself what a unique and fun experience our shows can be. And don't forget to spread the word with your family, friends, and neighbors so they don't miss the show as well. Please click on the button below to get all the details you need to join us. We look forward to seeing you at the show, and thanks again for stopping by. Have a wonderful day.